Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Happy Sunday night to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. For the rest of the overnight hours, temperatures drop back down into the upper 60s and mid 60s to start off our Monday. We'll climb right back into the mid 80s by the afternoon with a chance for a stray shower or thunderstorm, but much better rain chances as we go through Tuesday with the next storm system on the way. For the most part, though, over the next 24 hours, our rain chances stay pretty low. However, we're going to be keeping an eye on that storm system for Tuesday because of the fact it may bring an opportunity for some perhaps strong to severe thunderstorms. And I'll talk about that here in just a bit. Right now, most of the isolated showers and storms that we're seeing dropping down to the south, decreasing now that we've lost daytime heating. But again, generally down across southern parts of the state, headed into northern sections of Tennessee. The front continues to make its way down toward the south, making its way through the Carolinas and Georgia right now. To the north, it is a little cooler, a little bit drier atmosphere, but quickly we're seeing the moisture coming back on the backside of this. As we head through the next couple of days, we'll see an increase in low-level moisture, which will be the fuel for some of those showers and thunderstorms. Also going to keep an eye on the eastern part of the Gulf where there could be the development of a tropical system. That's something we're going to have to watch over the next few days. Biggest story, though, is going to be this area of high pressure that's going to hang out back to our west. And we're going to be in kind of that transition zone between the cooler air to the north and the hotter air back toward our west. But however, once the storm system moves on by, then we're going to see our chance to cool down a little bit more. Yeah, we're going to warm things back up a bit as we go into the weekend, but with that chance for showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday, some of those storms could pack a punch. But once they're off to the east and south, we'll get a little break in some of the warmth and humidity and even the thunderstorm chances. So middle part of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, much quieter weather. By the time we get to Friday, we will start to see temperatures climb back up a little bit more. So as you would expect, Tuesday is going to be our best chance to see some showers and thunderstorms around. Could be a stray storm around on Monday, maybe a lingering shower or storm on Wednesday, but for the most part, Tuesday is going to be the most active day, and then maybe by the end of the weekend, we're seeing a low chance for a shower or thunderstorm start to come back. Temperature-wise, upper 80s near 90 for the next couple of days, then we cool down low to mid 80s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday, and then that second storm system may bring another shot of cooler air as we head towards Sunday. So even when we warm back up, we'll generally stay with temperatures near to below normal. So let's talk about what happens as we head through the night tonight. There's the front pushing down to the south. A few scattered clouds to start the day on Monday. A stray shower storm possible, again, mainly to the south and southwest is the best chance to go through Monday evening, Monday night. Now Tuesday, we start off with some clouds. You see the cold front back to our north and west. Watch the thunderstorms come rolling in. As we go into the afternoon and evening, batch of thunderstorms coming through into the evening and overnight hours. Some of these could pack a punch, so make sure you're staying weather aware. So those storms will continue to move on through as we go through Tuesday evening. And with that, of course, you would expect the potential for a decent amount of rainfall as well. Looking at some spots could be around 1 inch to 2 inches by the time it's all said and done. There's that severe threat for Monday, but then on Tuesday, that threat's going to be a little closer to us. So make sure you're weather aware as we head into the day Tuesday, with damaging winds and hail being the main concern, but could have a tornado or two as well. Tonight, some patchy fog forms. Temperatures back into a mix of mid to upper 60s. Tomorrow's highs mid to upper 80s. Stray shower thunderstorm possible, but the greater threat for thunderstorms will be on Tuesday with highs in the upper 80s and low 90s. Then we cool down for a few days. Nice as we head into the end of next week.